So we've got the Customers Midland 4001 here, which serviced earlier today, and the antenna warning light actually works. So make sure we're in the right modes. Got volume, squelch, filter out. That's just a tone thing. So you have it in DX mode, and that then switches out the RF gain. And if you have local mode, that switches in the RF gain. Obviously my gain it stays at full. And here we go, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21 goes.
Hello there. Right, whereabouts are you?
Oh, just coming up to the end of the lane.
Excellent, got you loud and clear.
Good work on that. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. The only thing I don't like about this particular set is that we've got the meter hanging around at S3 all the time rather than about S1.5 in this area, and it's internally generated rubbish. Now of course you could fault find that and get to the bottom of what it is, but the time and cost of doing that would be absolutely ridiculous. So in turning it up so that the calibration's correct, the
right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. We've now got this kind of residual S3, which is not good.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down towards the Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rosby Level Crossing, also known as Greyleys Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. Okay, so Midland 4001, 39 years old, and you know that's got better. When we had it on the bench, the squelch is very sensitive, and often when we're doing these, as he goes around Scratchy Corner, the squelch may cut in and out, and on some of the sets with poor squelch I have to drop the squelch off. So I didn't touch it at all on that entire run, and there was a little drop out at Greyleys, and that's our worst one, surrounded by trees. Then when it comes to the level crossing, the final one at 6 miles, there was a little drop out just there. In fact, it was right when he said Rawsby. He said the word Rawsby and it cut out, so I knew he said Rawsby, but not everybody would. So that squelch tracks better than most squelchers, and this of course is the same chassis used in the Maxcom range of radios. By this I mean the 4E, 6E, to some extent the 20 is a compacted version, the 21E, and the 30E with a crystal filter. So I know it wasn't the last word in receive. I know they can suffer from descents. I'm in the middle of nowhere, 35 miles from anywhere, and it works great, but they're not as bad as Fidelity 1000. So let's go over to our Harrier CBHQ and see what it sounds like on the original factory microphone, because we don't often get the pleasure of getting an original microphone when these come in after all those years. Tango 21 testing the Midland 4001 with the factory original microphone into our Harry CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.